Can I film your flower?
Of course.
Oh, yeah. That looks so nice. Thank you. Yeah.
This is a District Line train to Richmond.
It's the season of love. Everyone is celebrating their special someone on February 14, Valentine's Day. And what better ways to mark the occasion than with a romantic proposal? Today, I'm taking you behind the scene of a very special moment, my photographer friend's proposal shoot at a stunning restaurant in the heart of London. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. It really helps this channel to grow. Once I arrived, I captured some cinematic shots of the environment, including the iconic Tower Bridge and a distant view of the Shard at London Bridge. After getting those establishing shots, I headed inside to film the decoration setup while the event planner worked her magic. Because I need to film from distance, so for this shoot I used my Sigma 85mm f1.4 lens for crisp, clear shot with an amazing shallow depth of field. I shot most of my footages in 100 frames per second to get that smooth slow motion effect in post. One challenge I faced was light flickering on my Sony A7S III, a struggle many filmmakers can relate to. If you've experienced this, let me know in the comment section on how to fix it. Now sit back and enjoy the cinematic shots of this unforgettable proposal. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.